Alright, hey everybody. I'm back finally with another video. I'm excited to finally get this car working on. I still have COVID. Unfortunately, I'm testing positive, but now it's the weekend, and last weekend I couldn't really do it just because that's right when I started to get sick and I wasn't feeling good at all. So today we're going to be doing this. This is the Audi R8 fuel controller, and it connects to the fuel pump, which is, well, the low pressure fuel pump located in the back seat of the car. So I already took up the back seat and took off the cover, so we're basically ready to go. And just for reference, this is part number 4F1906093B. And again, this is the R8 fuel controller. You want to get that part number specifically. It's gonna help lower the low pressure fuel pump duty cycle, so that way you don't stress out your pump. Let's get right after it. Alrighty, so a lot of people say you need to be dropping the gas tank, and I talked to a few people online that are saying that you don't. So what I'm gonna do is go grab my hammer, probably this right here, and I'm just gonna pry the metal up, and I'm gonna try to find a headband right now so that way you guys can see. We're gonna be working in this space right here. So essentially, those two screws right there hold in the fuel pump controller, and it's connected to this wire right here. So I'm gonna have to disconnect that, loosen those wires, and we're gonna pry up this metal right here and pull it out. So hopefully we don't damage anything, but let's get after it. It's a little dark, and I'm trapped up against the wall right now, but all right, this is definitely gonna take some prying. Got it already. We're just gonna keep sending it. Probably should have done this at the beginning. Ooh, no. But we are going to remove this so that way, one, we don't damage the plug, and it gives us a little bit more flexibility. Oh, we're basically there. Come on. Yo! And there we go. This is the OEM B7A4 fuel controller that I want to get rid of. Hello. Nice to see ya. Now here comes the part I've been waiting for. Is we're gonna swap this one in. So put my glove back on because it's a little dirty. We're going to there we go. It's right out. All right. Here's the difference between them. throw in the clip brackets, the screws. Junk. There we are. And now what we're going to do is we are going to connect this. Boom, clipped in, ready to go. Let's throw the puppy back in there, hopefully. Actually, probably safe thing to do is make sure the car starts before I even start to throw this back in there. So what I'm gonna do is clip that back in, and let's go give the car a start. So I need to charge it up a little bit just because the car's been sitting for a while and it's dead. So stay tuned. All right, so plugged in. I'm not sure if the car has enough juice yet, but nope. All right, attempt number 2. Still no. Great. Third time's the charm? Maybe? I don't know. Oh! Sweet! Let's go. Look for that mosquito. Alright, no check engine light. We good! Alright, so now that we have confirmation that this works, we're going to try to get this to balance back underneath. I heard these can get warm. Well, it's not bad. But let's get it back in there, and hopefully we can get it to mount on these 2 screws again. So, to give us a little bit more room, I'm going to remove that. And this is going to suck. All right, cool. And now we're going to gently get this cover put back on. Cool. These dogs never stop barking. All right, everything's in. Let's get this rear seat back together. Apparently it's harder to get the rear seat in than the actual pump itself. And we did it. All right, so, fuel pump is in. I have my rear seat back. I just gotta put all these tools away. I think I still have my headlamp on. But thank you guys for tuning in. I know this video was short, but this is the first step into getting the car back to operating. It can drive right now if I really wanted it to. However, I wanted to get the lower control arms done, as well as that one upper ball joint replaced just before I get it back on the road as a safety thing. And I have another truck to drive anyways, so it's not really my utmost importance. I want the car to be back, you know, once it's all said and done. It's going to be a lot more enjoyable experience. I'm really looking forward to driving it. I really want to drive it right now. However, now it's not the time. because I'm going to be working on it tomorrow anyways. So tomorrow I might be able to take it around the block. We'll see. But thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.